Ella was a widow who lived in a village with her only son, John. Her husband, Michael, used to sell milk in a small shop beside their house. Sadly, he passed away. After his death, Ella continued the milk business. They also had a small farm with a few cows, so she was very busy every morning. John was in grade 8. He spent most of his time studying and was a good student. But he rarely helped his mother, even on Sundays. Ella never wanted to disturb his studies, but in her heart she wished he would learn to help and take some responsibility. She worried that if something ever happened to her, John should be able to manage life on his own and not depend on others. One early Sunday morning, Ella woke up and called John.
"John, wake up. I need your help today,"
she said. Then she went to the kitchen and started preparing breakfast. She made tea, boiled 2 eggs, and toasted some bread. She placed the breakfast on the kitchen table, and jam and butter as well. After that, she went back to John's room.
"John, wake up,"
she called again. John spoke sleepily.
"Mom, I'm just coming. You go."
Ella sighed and returned to the kitchen. She ate her breakfast and then headed to the farm. She stepped into the farm and saw the mess around the cows. She sighed and began cleaning, sweeping the floor, and clearing out the leftover hay. She filled the buckets with fresh water and spread the fodder for the cows. Then she started milking the cows. The milk kept slipping and spilling as she carried the heavy buckets to the large tub inside the shop. She poured the last bucket into the tub and wiped the sweat from her forehead. As she worked, she murmured,
"He's still so young. I shouldn't ask him to do this yet. But when he's some bigger, he will do it."
Ella opened the shop, and soon customers began arriving. The morning passed quickly. When the rush was over, she closed the shop and went back home. In the lounge, John was watching a movie.
"Mom, the breakfast is cold,"
he called out.
"Could you make something else? Maybe egg sandwiches, fries, and a banana shake?"
Ella nodded and went to the kitchen. She saw the breakfast just as she had left it. She sighed.
John hadn't even touched it.
She made fresh sandwiches, fried some potatoes, and blended a banana shake. After that, she carried the tray to the lounge. John was laughing at the movie. Ella placed the tray on the table. He quickly took the sandwich and the glass of banana shake.
"Thanks, Mom,"
he said happily. After a while, Ella said gently,
John, you should study too.
John laughed and waved his hand.
Mom, today is Sunday. Sunday is just for enjoying, eating, and watching movies. Don't worry, I'll do my homework tonight.
Ella smiled quietly and went to her room. One evening, John went to meet his best friend, Arnold, who was his classmate. Aunt Ava opened the door.
Hi, Aunt.
John greeted. She forced a smile.
Hello, John. Come in.
Where's Arnold?
John asked.
He's in his room. I'll send him out,
She said and left. John sat on the sofa and picked up a magazine. Just then, he heard Arnold's voice. But it wasn't what he expected.
You should end this friendship now.
John was shocked.
But why? Mom.
Arnold asked, surprised. Aunt Ava spoke gently but firmly.
John's mom works alone, even on Sundays. John doesn't help her at all. I'm worried you could become like him. You're my only son, so it's better to end this friendship.
Soon, Arnold came into the room.
Hi.
He said with a smile. John stood up.
Hi, Arnold.
They sat together, talking for a while. Then John stood up.
I have to go.
He said. Arnold looked surprised.
So soon.
John forced a smile.
Actually, I need to buy some groceries. I almost forgot. Mom will be waiting.
Arnold smiled and nodded. John waved goodbye and left. On the way home, John kept thinking about what Aunt Ava had said. He felt ashamed.
Aunt was right.
He thought.
Mom does all the work alone. I should help her, at least on Sundays.
The next Sunday morning, Ella was busy in the kitchen. She was preparing breakfast, stirring tea in a pot and putting slices of bread in the toaster. Just then John walked in.
Mom, please serve breakfast soon.
He said.
There's a lot of work at the farm, and the customers will start arriving soon.
Ella looked at him, surprised, then smiled. Moral: learn to do your part.